Hello everyone, this is Dam Sabara from Ocean Zone Explorers. Today we had a regulator for service, and when we opened the primary regulator, there was something inside. And I will show you in a bit what's inside. This is not something unusual for us because we've been seeing this for a couple of times in different models and different brands of regulators. So it doesn't matter if your regulator is the cheapest or your regulator is the most expensive. These things happen. Now, it is important for you to regularly service your regulators because you cannot see what's inside the regulator. And your regulator will keep you alive underwater. So you cannot be one of those divers that thinks, I don't really need to service my regulator because I don't really dive a lot. Or I keep my regulator in a tub in the house when I get back. And it stays there in the water for 2 days. It does not matter because what's inside you cannot see it, and I will show you now what we found on the regulator. Okay? Surprise! It's a cockroach egg inside the primary regulator. So can you imagine, guys, if you inhale and then this egg goes to your throat? I can only imagine. I don't want to. I don't want it to happen to me. So guys, please, this is not a joke. This is not unusual for us. Again, this happened to a different regulators that we've been servicing. So go ahead and have your regulators serviced. Okay? Safe diving, guys. Bye.